Welcome back to Season 2 of the Highlander Lawn, 2021. Now 2020 was a year that I think we would all like to take and put in the past and never return to it and never have to ever repeat it. Looking back at this last year, I've learned a lot, been able to have the opportunity to meet a lot of cool people that are in the industry and be able to learn from them and be able to grow in that regard. Now, I've also had the opportunity to be able to go and help other people in their yards and be able to help renovate their yards and get their lawns up to the level that they'd like to see them at. But I can't wait for this coming year. We've got some cool things planned, got some more reviews to do, got a couple people that were lining up to do some Help Me Fix My Ugly Lawn series and be able to see the before and the after, so I'm really excited. So without further ado, we're going to do a quick review of last year and then moving forward, 2021. Let's go.
I take a breath, I'm not gonna lose. This is what I came here to do. I walk that wire and I take that step. Won't look down, got no regrets. Won't look down, got no regrets. I was made for this.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for any notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and please comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.